When we first approached the NAV People, we were in talks with a number of other different suppliers. We had a couple of acute problems that none of the other businesses had come up with a solution to. We spoke to Matt Dredger on the phone. 3 days later, the product management team come in and showed us how the system could be utilised in order to address that. So that was a wow moment.
Initially, we weren't quite sure whether NAV or AX was the product for us, but it was the NAV People that we got the best feeling for. They were certainly the most versatile in terms of our requirements. More importantly, they presented to us that they could achieve what we were after within such a short and challenging timescale.
We spent a lot of money with our other reseller not getting the value out of them that we needed. The NAV doctor came in and they found areas where it was easier for us to just actually modify the way that we work or modify the way that NAV works slightly, as opposed to installing this brand new system of loads of different gizmos and gadgets that actually just didn't do what we needed it to, which has then resulted in us spending less money.
I like the fact that you got people like Ian Humphreys, who's really passionately loves Navision, and every time you speak to him, he just oozes out of his every single word, which is really good because you want somebody to really believe the product and what they're doing as a passionate thing.
They've been around for a few years, but they've got expertise in Dynamics Nav. So some guys have got the finance knowledge, some guys have got the warehouse knowledge, some guys have got the buying and merchandising knowledge, so that works very well.
The thing is, they understand our business needs. They talk the same way that I do. They can dumb it down if I need it dumbed down, or they can take it all the way up to the most techie conversation you've ever had. One of my biggest loves about the NAV People is just they are so customer faced. It's all customer based. Now, I actually have an account manager who is a relationship manager more than she'll ever be a sales manager. And the way that they are more than willing to help us, and they'd rather say, well, actually, if you just do this little modification, you can carry on doing exactly what you're doing. It saves you a shed load of money.
The NAV People are everything I require in a partner. I know they are there to do the best for Space NK and myself, which is all I can ask.
The NAV People built a relationship and it feels like more of a partnership. We're really pleased that we picked the NAV People.